There's a man angry with you. Dark hair, wounded heart. But he's playing a game. He made a choice and now he's lost, confused, in pain. Stay right here because I'm about to reveal if he'll come back. But first, double tap to confirm. You feel this too? I know his pride is screaming, but you already saw it coming. He can't lie to you. That's why he's silent now. Look at the clock. Comment the exact time you saw this video. I'll send you a spiritual message just for you. Will he return? Yes, he wants to apologize, but something still holds him back. Pride, fear, maybe someone's influence, but his love for you real. He doesn't want to lose you. Now comes the test. Tap the arrow to share. If the second person who shows up is a woman, this message was meant for you.